Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify ZkPass on Binance. We will begin by understanding what ZkPass is and its fundamental role in enhancing your digital privacy. Then, we will walk through the precise steps required to complete the verification process on the Binance platform. This guide aims to help you leverage zero-knowledge proofs for secure and private data at a station, ensuring your information is protected while maintaining compliance. ZkPass is a revolutionary privacy-preserving protocol that utilizes zero-knowledge proofs. Essentially, it enables you to prove certain facts about your data, such as your age or identity, without actually disclosing the underlying sensitive information. This means you can verify your credentials on platforms like Binance while keeping your personal details entirely private. It's a powerful tool for maintaining confidentiality in the digital world. To verify ZkPass on Binance, first navigate to the designated verification area within your account settings. You will then select the specific type of data you wish to attest to, such as identity or address. The system will guide you through generating a zero-knowledge proof based on your existing information. Once generated, you will submit this proof to Binance, completing the verification securely and privately, typically within a few moments. The primary benefit of using ZkPass on Binance is significantly enhanced privacy. You can verify your identity and other crucial information without ever revealing the raw data itself, protecting you from potential breaches. This method offers a robust and secure way to meet regulatory requirements while maintaining your personal confidentiality. It represents a significant step forward in secure and private digital interactions for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.